that's K190 on its first photo run by here at the Newport Workshop Open Days. We've got B72 heading back to the servicing road after its session doing the photo run bys, and you got R711, the Spirit of Bendigo, being turned on the 70-foot turntable. As we discussed on our previous turn of that locomotive, the locomotive weighs 187 tonnes. It's got a 68-foot wheelbase, and the turntable itself is 70-foot long. So they need to give 1 foot of clearance on each side for the locomotive to be perfectly balanced, and for the volunteers, as you can see, on each end of the turntable to quite, for a better word, easily spin the locomotive around.
Many hands make light work, Mike. Plenty of action just happened there, folks, with K190 with us for the next hour or so, and coming up later with our Triple K concerts. We'll be wrapping up the action very shortly, ladies and gents.
Now, K190, for anyone, if you have a spare moment to look on the internet, has worn a number of colour schemes over its lifetime. It wore a two-tone green after its restoration, 1977, and then for a short stint in the 80s was back to plain black, and now after its return to service, it wears what they call Crimson Lake, is what they've told me the colour of the paint is. Crimson Lake, very similar to the London Midland Scottish Railway shade, although amongst rail fans they do like to argue about colours, don't they?
Yes, indeed. If I could be more controversial, some of our younger rail fans might call it James the Red Engine out.
Yes, all right. K190 coming back.
Fantastic show by our driver Matt Oaten right there. Quick takeoff and a quick stop as well. Very great showing, Micah.
price, and they have a Walschaerts valve gear. Maximum speed of these locomotives is 115 kilometres an hour or 70 miles an hour, hence why they were used on express passenger trains.